Did you know a single decision by Genghis Khan changed the fate of an entire empire? That's right, let's dive into one of the most surprising victories in history. One that shows brains can sometimes beat brawn. So who was Genghis Khan? Imagine someone starting out with almost nothing, then building the biggest land empire the world has ever seen. That's Genghis Khan, a leader, a fighter, and a master of strategy. Today, I want to tell you about his most unexpected win, the Battle of Khwarezm. Picture this. Genghis Khan and his army face a huge empire in what is now Iran and Central Asia. The Khwarezm Empire had big walls, lots of soldiers, and thought they were safe. But Genghis? He had a plan. Here's how it went down, broken into a few simple points. First, Genghis Khan didn't just charge in. Instead, he used something called surprise. He sent his troops in different directions, making the enemy think his army was much smaller. Imagine playing hide-and-seek, but you're the only one who knows where everyone is hiding. Second, Genghis Khan listened and learned. He gathered info from local people and even spies, like reading the answers before taking a test. Third, he turned problems into opportunities. When a river blocked his path, Genghis didn't give up. He found a new way across, taking the enemy by surprise from a direction they never expected. And last, he treated his troops fairly, inspiring loyalty. People followed him, not just because they had to, but because they wanted to. So, why does this matter today? Well, sometimes in life we face tough challenges, big tests, new schools, or even making friends. Genghis Khan's story reminds us that being creative, listening, and working together can help us win, even when things look impossible. It's not always about being the biggest or the strongest. Sometimes it's about being the smartest, the kindest, or the most determined. So next time you face something tough, remember Genghis Khan's surprising victory. Ask yourself, what creative solution haven't I tried yet? What's a challenge you've faced where thinking outside the box made all the difference? Share your story in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and remember, every big victory starts with a single smart idea.